Alright. Hey Ella, let me see if I can get to where you can see me and my guitar. Let me get some light in here. Alright, so review for this last week. We learned a couple things. First of all, let's start off with what we learned about going from D to G to C. So remember, we start off with the D, and we talked about practicing. Get my mouse out of the way. Talked about practicing this, and you're going to play your D. Remember, you put. I think you had the fingering down for this just fine, but you've got your first finger there on the G string, second finger goes on the bottom E string, and then your third finger is going to go on the B string. And then you play 1, 3, 4 strings, the bottom 4 strings. And then we talked about putting your finger down, and you can add like a little note there. It's kind of like an added note. And then you add it. And then you showed me G. You did a good job on G. You just come up here and you play it. Just keep, remember, you just keep those two fingers down when you play the bottom two finger here and here. When you're playing that D, you put that one down, and then you go up to G. And then we talked about, I taught you C, and the only thing that you do with C is you move your fingers down one. Your top two fingers on that G, to play G, you just move them down one. There you go, okay? So there's those. So you've got G, and you've got the little pinky added. You come up to G, and you move those top two fingers down, and you're just gonna you're gonna ignore that top string when you play C, and you're gonna just play it all the other 5 strings. Okay, the bottom 5 strings. So there you go, and there's those. I think we also talked about when you play E minor. So here's when you play E minor, you're just playing these 2 strings. Well, when you play E, you can play E with these 2 fingers, and then if you add on this finger, then you've made it E major. And then we talked about how when you play A, and we talked about if you play it much the same way as you play E, you just come down like this and then add that is an A minor. So that's what you're doing there. You're just adding this much the same way. You finger it the same way that you do E. See, there's E. Well, I just move everything down one. And there's A minor. And we went over that in class too. Okay, so that's that for this week. Let me see. I'll go over that again one last time so you have it on the video. Here's the D. Add the pinky. We're going to go up to G. Here we go. Keep the pinky and the third finger down. So all the way up to G. And then let's go down. Move these fingers down one each to play a C. So you can make your own little songs, do some strumming with it, get some things going. Remember, keep this hand very relaxed. There you go. All right, cool. Keep practicing, kiddo, and I'll see you on Friday.